3206 Quakertown Drive, right off of Vance Jackson and 410. Literally, you are in central San Antonio, minutes away from downtown, the airport, UTSA, Six Flags, Ingram, everywhere. You're right in the central area here in San Antonio. So come on out, 4-bedroom, 1-story house, prime location, beautifully redone. This house was completely remodeled just for you. Thank you for stopping by. Give me a ring for all of your real estate needs. Jesus Meave, the Real Estate Jesus, your premier realtor. 210-396-1763. You stay blessed, and we'll see you soon.